Harry Lightfoot here from a very sunny Berthon, and today we are going to be doing a tour of a beautiful 1977 44-foot cutter METEOR. She has been lovingly cared for over the years and is the perfect boat for those wanting to hit the high seas. At any port you go into, she will be the perfect head turner. And welcome to the interior walkthrough of METEOR. As we step down below, it is clear to see the excellent condition this boat is in. She has been lovingly cared for with a full refit done in 1991, as well as many new electrical, engine, rigging and sails updates done over the last few years. As we step down below, you have your master double on the port side, as well as a good sized chart table on the starboard. Excellent lighting this boat has. She has LED lighting throughout, as well as many hatches for ventilation. On your port side, you've got your galley. Again, really nice access, plenty of storage. It also gives you really nice space in between the saloon and the galley for socializing, as well as your pilot berths. In total, she has 6 berths. Having a look at that really good condition the wood is in. And making our way forward, you've got the head onto your starboard side here. Again, excellent condition. And into the forward shower. Having a look around there. Good ventilation, all hatches open. As I say, she's had extensive refits over the years, and these owners have lovingly cared for her. And they are now looking for her to set sail to a new home. METEOR is the perfect boat for those wanting a real head turner into any port that you head into, and she is ready to set sail today.